Welcome to Destiny's tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the Zoom application on your Mac computer. So let's go ahead and get this started. You will first go up to this URL up here and you'll type in zoom.us/download. That's zoom.us/download. So once you type that in, you hit enter and it will bring you to this Download Center page. On the Download Center, you'd want to look for the Zoom client for meetings, which is this one right here. And this is just another name for the Zoom app, Zoom client for meetings. And you're going to go ahead and click download. Once you click download on the Mac computer, files that are waiting to be downloaded, it goes into this download folder over here. And you'll see right here, zoom.pkg, that is the Zoom file that we want to download. So you're going to go ahead and double click on that file. It'll bring us to this information box where it's basically telling us what we're installing. So I know what we're installing, the Zoom app. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. This info box is just telling us the size and the amount of space this file is going to take up on our computer. I'm not concerned about it. It's not a huge file. So I'm going to go ahead and click install. So I'm going to put in my password because it is protected just in case any unwanted files are trying to be downloaded on my computer. I know what this is again, so I'm going to go ahead and allow the installation process to proceed and click install software. So it's running the scripts and everything it needs to run to download this file, and it has downloaded. And here's how I know that. At the top right here it says the installation was completed successfully. And also in front of me I have the Zoom app that's now here and ready for me to use. So it says Zoom, join a meeting, sign in. That's it. You've just successfully downloaded Zoom and you are ready to use it. Thank you for joining us.